All right, well, as usual, we are a little morning routine for Miss Courtney. We are at the QT. She's grabbing her coffee, and then we're going to be on our way. Well, we've only been here a short time, and activity's been pretty good already. We've got some, I got some pretty good shots of a vermilion flycatcher. Let me show those to you guys. The bird activity's pretty good. So we're out here. We'll keep you guys posted on what we're seeing. Well, the vermilion flycatchers, and there's a few of them, have definitely been putting on a show for us this morning. And we just found a hummingbird nest. I can't see the female well enough to be able to identify, but I'll show you guys the nest and her head popping out. Alright, so we're on the path on the way out. We're almost back up to the ranch houses. So figure we show you guys a little bit of the path too, so you guys can see it's really, really nice. Look at that. And back that way. All tree covered, all this stuff. Really, really nice. All the paths, except for the birding trail, are all paved. So easy walking, nice and clean, well maintained. Highly recommended. If you haven't been here, you need to come check it out. Well, we are on the back side of the park here. Let's see if I can show you. There's another pond over here, and then the desert and stuff this way. Well, we got to see some baby ducks and a ginormous turtle. The turtle looks like he eats other turtles, like he was a horse turtle, just sitting on the bank. But we've got some ducks, ton of phainopeplas running around here. I think we got the male. We definitely got the female. So starting to warm up a little bit, but we definitely have not checked out the whole place. But we only live like 30 minutes from here, so we're gonna work our way back to the car, and we're gonna call it, and we're gonna come back out again at some point and check out the rest of it. Say bye, babe.
Bye.
Catch you guys on the next one.